What's the meaning of bell glass? Bell glass. Bell glass.
Bell glass. Bell glass. A bell glass is a type of laboratory glassware that is used for protecting delicate samples from outside contaminants. It consists of a spherical glass dome with a flat base that can be placed over a sample to create a sealed environment. The top of the dome is open, providing easy access to the sample, while the bottom is typically flared outwards to allow for greater stability and ease of handling. Bell glasses are commonly used in biological and chemical experiments, as well as in the storage of fragile museum specimens. They can also be used as demonstration tools for visualizing reactions and processes in a controlled environment.